Welcome to TravelSpot, your ultimate channel for unforgettable travel experiences, budget-friendly adventures, and hidden gems from around the world. So before we begin, make sure you subscribe to TravelSpot and turn on notifications so you never miss a journey. Today's video is all about free night walks in Dubai, where we explore some of the most beautiful places in the city that completely transform after sunset, offering relaxed evening strolls, stunning night photography, family-friendly outings, and peaceful solo walks, without spending much money at all. We begin with the iconic Dubai Marina Walk, one of the most loved night walking destinations in the city, where tall glass skyscrapers glow with reflections, luxury yachts gently sway on the water, and the cool evening breeze makes long walks incredibly refreshing after a warm day. The entire Marina promenade is free to explore, and the atmosphere feels premium and cinematic, without any luxury price tag. As you walk, you'll find plenty of budget food options along the way, including shawarma wraps, falafel sandwiches, fries, and small snacks costing 8 to 15 dirhams, while Karak tea, lemon tea, or coffee from small cafes costs 5 to 10 dirhams, making it easy to enjoy the evening without overspending. From Marina, continue your night adventure to JBR Walk and JBR Beach, where the energy becomes more vibrant and lively after dark, with street performers, glowing beachfront lights, buzzing cafes, and endless photo opportunities against the sea and skyline. Walking along JBR at night is completely free, and the sound of waves combined with city lights creates a relaxed holiday vibe that's perfect for couples, families, and content creators. When hunger strikes, grab popular street snacks like corn cups, samosas, popcorn, or ice cream for 5 to 12 dirhams, or enjoy budget-friendly meals such as burgers, wraps, or pizza slices for 15 to 25 dirhams from casual eateries lining the walk. Next, slow things down with a visit to Al Seef, a beautifully restored heritage district along Dubai Creek that feels especially magical at night, with its traditional wind tower architecture, warm lantern lighting, wooden abrasas passing quietly on the water, and peaceful old-world charm that contrasts beautifully with modern Dubai. Entry to Al Seef is completely free, and it's one of the best places for calm evening walks, cultural photography, and relaxed conversations. While here, stop by a small cafe for Karak tea or Arabic coffee, costing 3 to 6 dirhams, or enjoy traditional snacks, flatbreads, and light meals for 10 to 20 dirhams, while sitting beside the creek and soaking in the atmosphere. Another must-visit stop is downtown Dubai, where walking around the Burj Khalifa area at night feels like stepping into a grand movie scene, with the world's tallest building illuminated against the sky, lively crowds, luxury surroundings, and the world-famous Dubai Fountain Show, which is completely free to watch. Take a slow walk around the Burj Park and Souk al-Bahar Bridge, capture photos of the dancing fountains, and enjoy shows that run every 30 minutes after sunset. For budget food in this area, head to nearby food courts or small cafes, where meals range from 20 to 30 dirhams. Snacks cost 8 to 12 dirhams, and drinks are usually 5 to 8 dirhams, making it possible to enjoy downtown Dubai even on a tight budget. Together, these free night walks prove that Dubai isn't just about luxury shopping and expensive attractions. It's also a city filled with beautifully designed public spaces, safe walkways, scenic waterfronts, and unforgettable nighttime vibes that anyone can experience. Whether you're visiting Dubai on a budget, traveling with family, or simply looking for peaceful evening experiences, these locations offer the perfect way to explore the city after dark without spending much. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this guide to free night walks in Dubai, don't forget to subscribe to TravelSpot, like the video, and share it with fellow travelers who love discovering cities at night. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in another TravelSpot adventure.